Hi, I'm LonDen, aka LonDen Makeup Artistry, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you another swatch video of some more ColourPop pressed eyeshadows that I picked up. If you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing because I do swatch videos and a whole lot more here on my channel every Saturday. And go ahead and hit that little notification bell so you won't miss a video. Now, I was contemplating and debating on whether or not I should do this video because I've done a couple of swatch videos of ColourPop pressed eyeshadows already, and I didn't know if you would be interested in seeing any more, if people are interested in seeing them. I know that there are some people that think swatches of eyeshadows are useless because you can't tell how an eyeshadow is going to perform unless you actually use it. And I disagree. I think swatch videos are good. I enjoy swatch videos because it allows me to see what the eyeshadow looks like outside of the pan and on a certain skin tone. So that's why I do them. Again, I've done them a couple of times already with ColourPop, but ColourPop has so many eyeshadows that I feel like every time I order a bunch, it might be nice to do swatches so that you can see what they look like, at least on my skin tone, and you can decide if you are interested in any of those colors. So let me know down below in the comments if indeed you want to see any more of these videos, or are you done with the ColourPop swatch videos, and then I will act accordingly. All right, so I'm gonna do this video and we'll see how it goes. If I don't get any views or any likes, then you will have spoken and you won't see them anymore. So you know that I like ColourPop eyeshadows and I think they perform great, and so that's why I continue to buy them and I continue to swatch them. So enough talking and let's get to the swatches. The first shade is Lucky You, which is a light peach. And it is a matte shade. The next shade is Koi, which is a pretty yellow, warm yellow. And both Lucky You and Koi are matte shades. This next shade is Two Birds, and it is a pretty orangey yellow shade, and it's a shimmer. And that looks like more like an orangey gold shimmery shade. The next shade is Fortune Cookie, and it's a pretty rosy pinky shade, and it is a matte shade. This next shade is Two Piece, and it's a satin, has a hint of shimmer, satin blue. This next shade is Facet, and it is a beautiful warm brown matte. And this last shade is Roundhouse, which looks like a dark brown matte shade, but it might have some plum. Won't know until I swatch it. Okay guys, those are the shadows swatched. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and consider subscribing because I do swatch videos, makeup tutorials, reviews, first impressions, and hauls every Saturday here on my channel. And hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thank you for joining me this week. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.